So, Gluco Mild Drops are basically marketed as liquid drops designed to support healthy blood sugar levels and metabolism. The idea sounds convenient, but I'd be pretty careful with the claims. The biggest thing to remember is that a supplement isn't the same as proven treatment for diabetes or high blood sugar. Even if the ingredients have been studied individually, that doesn't mean this particular formula will significantly lower blood sugar. I'd also look closely at the ingredients, dosages, and any claims about weight loss or insulin support. Testimonials can sound convincing, but they're not the same as clinical evidence, especially when you're talking about something as important as blood sugar. So, are Gluco Mild Drops worth buying? I wouldn't expect dramatic results based purely on the marketing. Check the ingredients, company reputation, evidence behind the claims, and potential interactions before spending your money. Overall, I'd treat Gluco Mild as a supplement rather than a proven solution. If you have diabetes or take medication for blood sugar, don't use a product like this as a replacement for professional medical advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.